Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi dengan saya guys, Mujib. Gimana kabar teman-teman semua? Semoga sehat selalu dalam lindungan Allah Subhanahu wa taala, dijauhkan dari segala mara bahaya, malapetaka, bencana dan bala serta berbagai macam penyakit. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Oke, kali ini kita akan melihat guys bagaimana kesamaan daripada mereka berdua ini guys ya. Jadi orang Indonesia dan orang Malaysia saling tebak kata nih guys ya. Saling menjelaskan. Satu kata ini orang Malaysia nggak tahu dan satu orang ini orang Indonesia nggak tahu. Jadi ini menarik untuk kita tengok. Jom kita sama-sama belajar. Let's go. Word friends. Okay.
So I heard that Malaysian and Indonesian are
you
super
from
similar.
US.
So do you think that you guys can understand each other if you had a full conversation in your own language?
Or our
Okay.
own language.
Indonesia, Elida,
Without any dialect.
Yeah.
I think
Mira, Malaysia.
I think especially if we use a simpler word.
You have many friends, okay? You have many friends from Malaysia and from US and from another world like that. But I have friend from Malaysia, from Arab and Malaysia like that. Yes. And from Indonesia many gitu kan. Like that lah guys. Kita coba-coba pakai bahasa English. Talking with English language, but don't loud, okay? Don't loud to me because my English is very bad, okay?
Words,
Okay.
and like we can understand each other.
yeah.
Well, we're about to find out.
Can they understand each other? Okay.
Can you guys please start a simple free conversation like hi,
Yeah.
how are you?
Ngomong-ngomong.
But only use your own language.
Okay.
Okay.
Apa kabar?
Kabar baik.
Jadi boleh bagi tahu sikit ke pasal Indonesia?
Asia Tenggara, karena kita negara kepulauan, jadi setiap daerahnya tuh punya keunikan masing-masing.
Ya, nyambung lah.
Masing-masing, bahasanya juga banyak. Nah, kalau di Malaysia seperti apa?
Di Indonesia kita orang ada banyak culture yang lain-lain lah. Ada Malaysian, ada orang Cina, ada orang India. Kat Indonesia dan Malaysia pun ada banyak benda yang sama kan, kayak makanan.
Ya. Tapi berarti Malaysia lebih banyak menyerap dari luar.
Wow. So you
my
guys were like really having a whole conversation.
Iya,
There
sama
was
dong.
no part where you didn't understand each other?
For me, I think because I have background, Malay ethnic background, so
Hmm.
I definitely know what she's saying 100%. How about you?
I'm pretty sure, yeah, I understood everything she was saying.
Wow. So can you tell me a little bit about what she said and you tell me what she
Yeah.
We said quite a lot.
Yeah, we say quite a lot, but
Okay, I wanna tell you. You told about Indonesian. Indonesian is very big, like that lah. You understand? Okay. And Malaysia, it's very many culture and many ethnies like that. And you understand? Okay. Like that.
the thing is that I learned that in the Malaysian
Yeah.
more Chinese and
So
Yeah, like that lah.
multicultural from the outside country come to Malaysia.
Yeah.
For Indonesia, she said it's like more of in different states. There's already different accents and dialects.
Maybe more
Dialects.
like America in that way.
But yeah.
Every state has its like own kind of thing.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
wow, we really understand just how similar you guys' languages are. Can you explain a little bit to me about what makes it so similar? Pronunciation or what is it?
It's hard to say, but I think
The
both
grammar itself, I think it's
Yeah.
similar, right? The
grammar,
Malay.
the sentence structure.
Yeah.
And there are some similar, so that's why it's easy to understand.
Yeah.
Because
So what do you think the biggest differences are?
the accent.
For me, I think Indonesia doesn't get influenced by the other country, like the other language, much as Malaysia. I think.
like mixed with English and
Yeah,
stuff.
Yeah.
So we're about to play a little game. I'll ask you if you understand a phrase from one of your countries, and if you can't guess it correctly, you have to eat a sour candy. So, can you guess the meaning of this phrase?
Buruk siku. So we use buruk siku in Malaysia. What about in Indonesia?
We didn't have any that kind of phrase actually.
Oh.
but the word itself, we have buruk, it's bad.
Bad.
Siku, it's elbow.
Oh.
Yeah.
So bad elbow.
Okay, so this must be like a idiom or
Yeah,
a
yeah, yeah,
phrase.
yeah.
So for you, it has like another meaning, but
Yeah.
you just
For
you're like
Indonesia,
bad
bad
elbow.
elbow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
Do we have a time limit? Tick tock.
Eat the candy.
I don't
Eat
know.
the candy.
Can you tell me?
So buruk siku means that it's when you give someone something, but then after that you change your mind and you take it back.
Macam
we have
tu
another.
diambil
You have your
balik.
own
Yeah, we
say.
say terbalik lidah.
So what does that literally mean?
You turn it around.
it's
you,
turn
you-
around.
Oh, like
So you turn
flipping?
back your
Yeah.
words. You take back your words.
Flipping back.
Well, I'm sorry, but you have to eat the candy. Are you ready?
The hell is gone.
Nah,
Okay, we'll move to the next phrase, you guys.
bau
You ready?
kencur.
Yeah.
Okay, so can you guess this phrase?
In Indonesia we say bau kencur.
Well, if you had to make a guess, what would it be?
Maybe something that smells bad.
What's our answer?
Wrong.
We're gonna have no candy left.
In English we say aromatic ginger. This phrase mean like you smell like aromatic ginger.
Oh.
That's a
But in
nice.
Indonesia it means like a person that didn't know anything. It's kind of
Yeah, kan.
mushy word.
Yeah, like a kind of bad. But in English it's the same, like being
Bau
an airhead is
kencur.
not good.
Ya
Like,
lebih
don't
ya
ask
memang
her,
bener
she's
tuh.
such an airhead.
Oh,
Why does the literal
airhead.
meaning sound like something good? Aromatic ginger smell. To me, I'm like, oh.
Okay.
Because the aromatic ginger itself, the aromatic one is kind of such a positive word, right?
Ah.
When we translate into English.
Yeah.
But let's go move on.
Okay, so you couldn't guess this, so
Oh. Oh
please
no.
take a bite.
That's too bad. I hate sour candy.
Well, if you're done suffering from that candy, let's move on to the next phrase. Okay, can you guess this phrase?
So this phrase is tangkai jering.
Tangkai
Do you guys have it in
jering.
Indonesia?
The tangkai is branch, but I think it's in Malaysia. They also call it for a plant, right? Tangkai. You
Tangkai.
can call it as a plant, like
Yeah.
tangkai cabai.
Ranting lah.
Cabai, right? but in this phrase, since it's a phrase, and jering in Indonesia, it's not the same, but jering seems similar to jengkol, and the jengkol is kind of one of the
Jengkol.
plant name.
Yeah.
I think it's something that a person,
You're getting close.
a person who something like a klepto.
Oh, a
like a
kleptomania.
Mental illness, right?
Like they
Klepto.
just
yeah,
have a
they
bad
just
habit
yeah,
of-
they
Oh,
just
yeah.
have bad habit. Yeah,
Like that.
is it right?
No. I think we have another.
She seems so
Saya juga gak tahu tuh.
She's like, no,
I'm sorry. Orang yang sangat addicted.
I'm sorry, but
People who are very selfish.
I just know the kedekut one.
kedekut.
Someone who doesn't want to spend money.
Oh, yeah. So
Yeah,
spend
right?
money.
Yeah, right.
Oh, like a penny
But-
pincher.
Tangkai jering.
yeah.
Also
The
Jering
kedekut
tang-
one.
They don't like to
tangkai
share,
jering.
So it's same with kedekut tangkai jering one, or it's
Oh.
more wide
Wide.
I think
meaning. It's
tangkai
like,
jering means like orang yang people who are
Oh,
Oh.
we probably say stingy. When you're stingy, you don't want to
Stingy.
share.
You are
You don't want to buy
stingy.
stuff for other people.
but it's not about the money itself, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
so it's
just
more
about
wild.
everything. Yeah.
Semua.
I think I used
Okay, you guys, we're already on our last phrase for today. Let's
What?
see if somebody will eat all this last candy. All right? So, can
Ah,
you guess
you know.
this phrase?
In Indonesia, we say salam tempel. Can you guess?
Tempe.
I think it's
Tempe.
food.
Iya.
But temple in Indonesia, I just telling you that the temple is in Indonesia like something stick.
Sticky.
Ah,
Oh.
It's not sticky, it's stick.
Oh, tampal.
Yeah.
tampal. Ya.
Stick, something like
I
that.
understand that.
So you do know a little bit.
In Indonesian it's tempel, but in Malaysian it's tampal.
Tampal.
Okay, well, do you think you can make a guess?
Someone who likes shaking hands, they don't let go.
Ya.
Because it's stuck.
Are you sure?
No.
Literal, that is literally what it means. But I'm just gonna let you tell me.
She wants the candy.
The salam tempel is something like yongton. They have a good meaning and the bad meaning. When asking some yongton, some money from other people, it's kind of be offensive.
Yeah.
But instead we say, mana salam tempelnya nih?
Not backhanded, but low key asking.
Yeah. Or the bad one, they use it as the corruption.
Wow.
When you need to shut someone's mouth, so they give you
Oh, like they give you secret.
yeah, secret.
Ah, yeah.
We just shaking hand, but
Take the
they
money.
get something like that.
Okay, well, then you have to eat all the candy.
Yeah.
I was never good with peribahasa.
Okay, well, can you guys talk to each other about your hobbies?
Jadi hobi saya itu sebenarnya banyak. Kayak misalnya aku suka banget foto-foto, terus suka banget main-main ke pantai, sama suka apa ya? Sama suka jalan-jalan lah pokoknya mah.
Okay, so could you understand her?
Yeah,
Oh,
Ya.
everything? 100%?
yeah.
Wow. So what did she tell you?
She said her hobby. She has a lot of hobbies. First one is like photos, taking photos.
Ya.
Second is pantayan. Dia itu go to pantai.
Yes.
I go to the beach. Right?
Oh,
And then the
nice.
third is like just jalan-jalan, which is
Yeah.
just to walk around in general, like go out and
Nice.
Ya.
Actually, the jalan-jalan one, I think it's different
Oh.
because when we say jalan-jalan, we also mean it as traveling.
Aha.
Oh.
Yeah.
So that is a little different.
like.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
like jalan-jalan in Malaysia. If we just use it in a broader
Pusing-pusing.
sense, jalan-jalan like to go to the mall.
Makan angin. Ha.
Like eat.
Yeah, like that.
So we
Just like-
found a small difference.
Different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, now it's your turn. Can you please tell her about your hobbies?
Hobi saya, aku suka main game. Aku suka baca buku. Baca
Oh.
buku, baca novel, baca buku roman, baca manga. Itu pun satu hobi. Apa
Suka
lagi?
baca.
Saya pun suka, tu je lah kot. Yang, yang saya boleh fikir sekarang tu je lah.
Oh, okay. So what did she say? Did you understand everything?
Yeah.
Oh.
She said she liked to read, and then she likes to read novel, read manga, and then a romance also, right?
Fan fiction.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, okay.
Itu
Like
aja.
games?
Tapi ketika mereka pakai bahasa Inggris,
I heard games. At the
Keren,
beginning.
guys.
Yeah,
I was like, very
I
nice.
just forget.
Okay, so when we talk about hobbies, is there any similar words or phrases you both use?
Hobi.
Yeah, hobby.
hobi.
Oh, okay, so it's like the same as English.
Same.
HOBI.
Oh, so the spelling is the same for you both.
Same,
though.
same.
Okay, wow. What about like reading or watching? That word is the
Baca,
same?
For me, it's
menonton,
baca and baca.
baca.
Oh,
Tak sama, bacanya baca sih.
ACA.
For in Malaysian, it's also BACA.
Baca.
But I pronounce my
But-
A's like,
so if you
Yeah.
like read each other's language, it would be really easy.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's one.
Very nice. So how was this?
It's really great because so we are kind of know that we are similar
Yeah.
yet different, but it's kind of make us unique. So
So
Yeah,
before
betul.
today, did you realize how similar you guys were?
Well, definitely.
Oh, so it's like obvious, especially when you're so
Because we're
close.
neighbors.
Yeah.
And There's a lot of similar
Nice.
food, similar. the
But your
language.
phrases were quite different.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
That's your uniqueness coming out.
Mm-hmm.
So, is there anything new you learned today you didn't know before about each other?
For me, the spelling is same, but the pronounce is different.
Yeah, different.
We read each other, we can
Yeah.
more
Understand more.
understand. That's kind of, it's not new. Like
Yeah.
Disable us from understanding each other would be the accents. and-
yeah, the accent one.
Wow. Okay, that's interesting.
So today we have our confrontation with our language.
If you like the video, please leave a like, subscribe, and a comment.
Subscribe and
We'll see you
comment.
soon.
Bye.
Alright guys, sudah selesai videonya. The end in the video, the end the video. Susah aja guys ya. Jadi kalau kita tengok bagaimana istilahnya persamaan antara mereka berdua, bertiga, berdua lah khususnya ya kan. Nah, yang satunya itu yang jadi pokok pembahasan ya kan, Indonesia dan Malaysia. Jadi mbaknya dan akak tadi, cantiklah. Itu memang kalau kita tengok ada persamaan dan ada juga perbezaan. Saya pun tak tahu tadi itu kan. Tangkai apa tuh? Tangkai jering. Tuh saya baru faham sekarang kan. Sama kayak orang Malaysia tuh tak faham dengan salam tempel macam tuh. Jadi banyak juga istilahnya bahasa-bahasa yang mungkin kita belum bisa faham banget ya dengan bahasa yang ada di Indonesia ataupun yang ada di Malaysia. Tapi istilahnya kalau kita bertemu ya kan, bercakap-cakap lewat phone, lewat WhatsApp lewat kita jumpa macam tu, itu boleh kita faham macam tu ya guys ya. Sebab kita boleh langsung lah seperti itu. Berbeza halnya ketika kita istilahnya langsung turun ya, macam ke suatu tempat yang memang macam kampung lah, macam tempat-tempat yang sana kental dengan bahasa Melayu yang kuat macam tu. Maksudnya bahasa-bahasa yang jarang kita dengar, itu kita akan tidak faham macam tu. Macam juga dekat kita orang yang Malaysia ya kan, orang Malaysia datang ke Indonesia tapi dekat kampung-kampung ramai juga pasti tak faham macam tu ya guys ya. Tapi kalau kita masih menggunakan bahasa Indonesia yang bagus, bahasa Malaysia juga yang bagus, maksudnya bahasa Malaysia dan Indonesia yang biasa digunakan ketika kita bercakap, it's okay. Tapi kalau macam kawan dekat dan lain sebagainya, mungkin kita akan lebih faham lagi macam tu ya guys ya. Jadi memang kena belajar lah kan. Kalau kita suka dengan bahasa, kita boleh belajar. If you like English, you go talking with English. If you wanna like Arabic, takallam bil lughatil arabiyyah. If you like Indonesia, cakap berbahasa Indonesia. Kalau suka dengan bahasa Malaysia, cakap bahasa Malaysia. Macam tu lah guys ya. Oke, terima kasih, sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Jangan lupa like, share, comment, subscribe. Semoga bermanfaat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.